Chocolate production begins with cocoa trees grown in controlled farming conditions. Only mature cocoa pods are selected for harvesting.
Harvested pods are gathered for immediate processing. Each pod contains cocoa beans surrounded by natural pulp.
Beans are extracted and prepared for fermentation. Fermentation develops the base chocolate flavor. Drying reduces moisture and stabilizes the beans. After fermentation, beans are prepared for drying.
Prepared cocoa beans are now ready for transport.
After preparation, raw materials are organized and prepared for transport. Materials are carefully loaded to prevent damage during transit.
Arrival marks the transition from supply chain to manufacturing.
Incoming materials are measured and verified. Each shipment is sealed and labeled for traceability.
Records confirm source and shipment details.
The shipment is guided toward the intake zone. The raw materials are now ready to enter the factory. The production journey continues inside this chocolate facility. This area handles the first factory entry of ingredients. Materials are prepared for unloading inside. Safety systems are confirmed before unloading. The intake process officially begins. The flow moves toward cleaning and sorting.
Raw ingredients enter the first internal processing area.
Each batch is visually checked for safety. Surface impurities are removed mechanically.
Screens separate beans by size and weight. Air systems remove remaining light contaminants. Metal contamination is eliminated for safety. Unusable material is removed immediately.
Human inspection ensures consistent quality.
A final wash prepares beans for processing.
Cleaned beans advance to core chocolate processing.
Controlled heat develops chocolate flavor. Cleaned cocoa beans enter the roasting stage. Roasting transforms raw beans. Roasted beans move immediately to cooling. Cooling stabilizes roasted beans.
Shells are removed from cocoa nibs.
Pure cocoa nibs continue forward.
Grinding releases cocoa butter. The chocolate base is now ready for refinement. Liquid chocolate is guided for further processing. Liquid chocolate enters the refining process.
Particle size is reduced for smooth texture.
The chocolate enters long-duration conching. Refined chocolate is gathered for further treatment.
Conching refines flavor and aroma.
Unwanted moisture is removed.
Texture is checked during processing.
The chocolate reaches its final form.
The process moves toward finishing stages. Temperature control stabilizes cocoa butter crystals.
Exact conditions ensure proper chocolate structure.
Tempered chocolate feeds the molding line. Measured portions fill each mold. Surplus chocolate is reclaimed.
Cooling begins solidification.
Chocolate sets under controlled cooling.
Products move toward final finishing.
Solid chocolate is released from its molds.
Edges are refined for consistency. Final cooling stabilizes the product.
Packaging begins immediately after finishing.
Each piece is checked for finish quality. Each unit is sealed for protection. Products are grouped for distribution.
Finished products enter storage.
Orders are prepared for delivery.
And this is how modern factories produce chocolate from start to finish.
On this channel, you'll find every video documentary style and educational. Comment below which topic you'd like us to cover next.